If you've gone backpack camping before, you may be familiar with those freeze-dried food pouches where you just add water and it turns into a goopy stew. These days, freeze-dried camp food has evolved, but not by much. But now that you're car glamping, you can make fancy camp food with some of the latest packable cookware available on the market.
I think I'll do the Benedict.
Okay, one Benedict.
Yes. And I'd love a coffee. Ooh, and a mimosa.
Okay, and for you? I think I'll do the Florentine and also a mimosa and a coffee. Okay, let me grab those menus from you. And I'll get you those drink orders.
Great.
When I started trying to figure out my car glamping kitchen configuration, I had this idea of sliding out kitchen appliances from the trunk using drawer slides mounted on a perforated metal sheet. I thought I was onto something until I discovered that someone had already done something like this, and in a much more thought-out setup than I could have ever designed. The Nomad Kitchen is a vehicle-mounted, mobile camp kitchen that was created by an ingenious group of outdoor enthusiasts based out of Berkeley, California. I helped crowdfund it on Indiegogo, and so far it's got everything I need. A platform for a 2-burner stove, a cutting board, and even the kitchen sink. It mounts into many trucks and SUVs using hooks that latch onto existing cargo or car seat loops. I have it positioned for easy access to the 20-liter car refrigerator I have, the Iceco Go 20, a dual compressor unit that can be set to be a fridge or a freezer, and when the partition is installed, both. Now to get things going, I'm going to start boiling water with this Coleman Triton propane stove. On one side, I'm boiling water and a splash of vinegar in Sea to Summit's 2.8-liter X-Pot, made of collapsible silicone for easy storage. On the other side, I'm making coffee in GSI Outdoors 6-cup stovetop percolator. The coffee beans were ground fresh using the Syncred portable blender. Here we go. To cut up the fruit, I'm using the big chef knife from my portable kitchen utensil set by Life to Go on the bamboo cutting board of the Nomad Kitchen. With a third portable propane burner, my trusty MSR WinPro, I'll toast the English muffins using Coughlin's nifty camp toaster. With the coffee done, I'll set the percolator aside to grill up the Canadian bacon and spinach, plus some grape tomatoes for garnish, in this 10-inch non-stick frying pan by GSI Outdoors. Time to poach the eggs. A quick rinse in the sink, and I'll use the blender to make an easy hollandaise sauce with egg yolks, some Dijon, lemon juice, and of course some hot melted butter, poured in little by little so that it whisks to be rich, creamy, and the perfect consistency to drizzle over the poached eggs. Don't forget to garnish. Here we go. You had the Benedict, yeah?
Yes.
And
Thank
the Florentine. Can I get you anything else?
This is great. Thank you.
All right, bon appetit. Let me top you off here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good service here.
Yeah.
What do you like about the waiter?
That man bun.